You probably came across this video because you were curious on if you've ever seen a presidential suite. Be sure to watch until the very end because there's some really cool features for this room. Aloha theme park fans, my name's Timothy Sebastian and welcome back to my channel. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you've ever had any kind of desire to upgrade your own experience while staying at a Universal resort. If you're not subscribed or you're subscribed, either way, you came across this video because you're curious on what exactly a presidential suite at Universal Resorts looks like. This room is so big that I can only get this in frame. I'd have to move the camera way back and zoom in, do all that stuff, but the presidential suite is remarkable. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you everything that the presidential suite offers. Let's go ahead and dive in. So let's go ahead and start right here in the entryway. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted by this spacious kitchenette, fully stocked and ready for quite literally anything. There's a full-size refrigerator and freezer, a microwave, a sink, and tons of cabinets with plates, wine glasses, cups, pretty much everything you need if you want to feel right at home. And check this out. This room comes with a whole Nespresso machine with a huge selection of complimentary pods, plus these little half and half cups. And you can even store these in the fridge. But this honestly makes the morning coffee routine a game changer right there. Now, one thing I do want to mention, the VIP team staff even left us this sweet personalized card and some complimentary bottled water and some snacks, as you can see right there. It was honestly a thoughtful touch that really did set the tone for the whole entire stay. Stepping further in, you've got this beautiful lounge area with an incredible view straight out to the pool and the lagoon area. It's honestly so peaceful. Then we flow right into the massive living room area. It has a huge flat screen TV, gorgeous mirrors, a super comfy sectional couch, ottomans, a coffee table, and even a full dining table if you want to have meals in. The decor is honestly elegant and still feels warm and inviting, perfect for those South Pacific vibes. Now, let's head into the bedroom. Look at this king bed. It's honestly enormous, and it looks like a cloud. Plush bedding, plenty of pillows. Honestly, this is one of the most comfortable I've ever slept in. There are cozy reading chairs, a desk if you need to get a little work done, although who would really want to? Another big TV, nightstands, and tons of storage. Speaking of the storage, this walk-in closet is honestly unreal. It's soft, luxurious robes included, hanging right up there for you to use, and you have to leave them when you go, but they feel amazing. Plenty of hangers, shelving, and tucked away in there is a top-of-the-line Julian Farrow hairdryer that Emily absolutely loved. It's really powerful and quiet, and it's a total upgrade. But the real showstopper, the bathroom. This is the next level luxury. Dual vanities with Jack and Jill sinks, so no fighting for space in the morning. Then there's this massive shower. 2 separate rain shower heads from the ceiling, plus wall-mounted fixtures on both sides, fully adjustable, and even a built-in bench. You could basically host a party in here. Not that we did, but the piece de resistance is a smart mirror with a built-in TV. Yeah, you heard that right. Grab the remote, hit the power, and suddenly you're watching your favorite show while getting ready. I've never seen anything like this, and I was quite honestly blown away by that. A couple quick hidden gems discovered during our stay. In the kitchen drawers, they've got extra napkins, straws, a corkscrew, bottle opener, and a high quality set of silverware that matches what you'll find in the restaurants. This is super convenient if you order room service or bring in snacks. And in the bathroom, there's a little kit with cotton balls, Q-tips, those small touches that make you feel truly taken care of, especially if you've forgotten something at home. Now, the toiletries are all Julian Farrow as well. The energizing body wash, vitamin shampoo, and conditioner, lotion, bath bar, they all smell literally incredible, and they feel luxurious too. We originally booked a club level suite here at the Loews Royal Pacific Resort for my birthday getaway in November, and Emily and I were already excited about that, but when we arrived, surprise, the amazing team upgraded us to the presidential suite. I'm still literally pinching myself because this place was absolutely incredible. Now, honestly, the presidential suite blew us away, but the whole Royal Pacific Resort experience is something truly special. From the lush tropical landscapes and that iconic lagoon pool to the relaxed island atmosphere that makes you feel a world away, it's the perfect escape. Being a premier hotel, you get those amazing perks like unlimited express pass for every day of your stay, including the check-in and check-out days, priority seating at restaurants, and of course, access to the club level lounge, if that's a part of your booking. The walking path to the parks is quick and beautiful, or you can hop on the water taxi for that extra fun vibe. I have to give a huge, sincere thank you to the entire team here at Royal Pacific, especially the VIP managers who went above and beyond to make our birthday getaway truly remarkable. The upgrade made it unforgettable, and the service throughout our stay was warm, attentive, and genuinely caring. If you're planning a Universal Orlando trip and want that next level relaxation with the incredible perks, Royal Pacific should absolutely be on your list. So what do you think? Would you love staying in a suite like this? Let me know in the comments. And if you've ever stayed at the Royal Pacific before, share your favorite part below. And that's going to wrap up our tour of the incredible presidential suite at Loews Royal Pacific Resort. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed coming along on this birthday getaway with us. Now, if this video helped you out or just even made you smile, please hit that like button and even consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our theme park adventures and resort stays. A huge thank you once again to the entire team at the Royal Pacific Resort, especially the VIP managers and coordinators. Your kindness and that amazing upgrade made this trip absolutely unforgettable. And if you've ever wondered what the exclusive Orlando Informer Meetup After Hours event is really like, and whether it's actually worth it, be sure to check out this next video right here. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you over there in the next one.